Hey, hello everyone, this is me, Sakshan Adwal. And every particular month, Indigo is hiring in bulk pan India, across India. So for the month of September, they have come up with their calendar. So let's go ahead. List is long, so I cannot just mug it up. So that's why I've written there. So I'll be reading it out and I'll attach the address, time, and everything for your reference. 1st of September, it's in the dream city of India, Mumbai. 2nd of September, it's in Guwahati as well as in Jalandhar, Punjab. 3rd September, it's in Bangalore, Kolkata, Shillong as well as the capital city of India, Delhi. 4th of September, it's in Bagdogra as well as Hyderabad. 5th of September, it's in Dehradun, UK, Uttarakhand. 7th of September, it's in Delhi, yet again for the second time. 8th of September, it's in Imphal. 9th of September, it's in Mumbai. 10th of September, it's in Delhi, Pune, as well as Dimapur. 11th, in the cleanest city of India, my hometown, Indore. 12th September, it's in Chennai, as well as in Lucknow. 13th September, it's in Noida, as well as in Kolkata. 15th of September 2025, it's in Jaipur in Rajasthan, the pink city. 16th of September, it's in Bombay, Mumbai, as well as in Amritsar, Punjab. 17th of September, it's in Delhi. 18th, it says Bagdogra as well as Bangalore. 20th of September, it's in Mumbai. 21st of September, it is in Gurugram. 22nd of September, it's in Chandigarh. 23rd of September, it's in Pune, Kolkata, as well as in Lucknow. 24th of September, it says in Delhi again. 25th of September, it says Guwahati. 26th of September, again in our city, Indore, Mumbai, and Shillong. 29th of September, for the very first time in Nagpur. And 30th, last but not the least, capital city, Delhi. So please do prepare yourself well. Now talking about the documents part. So first of all, you all need to be 12th pass at least. And if you are graduate, postgraduate, or if you are working professional, that comes as an additional advantage. You need to be 12th pass. Do carry your 10th and 12th mark sheet along with PAN card, Aadhaar card and passport, as well as do not forget to get your passport size, full size and half size picture clicked as per their criteria. The Indigo is asking these days, ladies, to wear black color stockings and half sleeve shirt, just like this one. But I prefer to wear the plain one. It's good if you can wear the silver chain watch. This is known as the chain watch with the pearl studs, a bit of presentable yet pleasant. Okay. Next, talking about the documents part. Once you are done with this, if you have your COVID certificate, because Indigo do ask for the COVID certificate as well. So coming up to the criteria part, ladies, you need to be 155 centimeters or above. Your height, weight should be proportional to each other, and spectacles are not allowed. However, lenses are welcomed and acceptable. Tattoos and scars are not allowed once you wear the uniform. The visible portion of your body should not have any sort of tattoos. So please take care of that. Do take experience if the interview is in your own city. Interview might take long, so please keep yourself hydrated. Stay stress-free. Calm mindset se jao. Be spontaneous, because rectification is going to help you nowhere. Share it with your friends who are interested in the aviation industry so that they can get the proper guidance if they are confused, and I will try to solve their each and every particular query. Follow for more. Till then, bye-bye, good night, take care.